Once again, we are GSB. Ladies and gentlemen. Wipe out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there's Papa D on drums. And for the meantime, while he catches breath, who's that? We love you too, man.
Yeah, he's running away.
Alright, this next song is our own original composition. Since it's a Mother's Day month, we would like to share it with you. And it's on YouTube. There's a lot of emails and phone calls we've been receiving to play the song and to record it. And I was once with ABS-CBN in the Philippines with Mother Nature Band, and we were able to compose and made a hit single, Mahal na Mahal Kita, which is I Love You Very Much. Right? But we're gonna give a share to love. We're gonna share this love to all of you, especially to the moms. This is the first time I'm gonna be playing it live in front of the wonderful people like you guys here. Right? It's called Dakila Ka Ina, meaning
You're my hero, Mom.
yes, for all the names.
And yeah.
And I would like to give credit to my mom who wrote this song, Elvira Snyder. I hope it sounds good to you guys first, though.
And I personally would like to thank Elvira and Glenn for this beautiful song that we're going to do next. And if I may request all of the moms to please stand up.
I want to tribute you here tonight.
All of the moms. in the house, please stand up.
There you go.
I'm sure we have a lot of moms. There you go. All right. We would like to salute you and thank you for all of the hard work you guys did. You serve as the guiding light for all of your children with your TLC. We love you very much. Thank you for coming. I love you, Mom, Tita Elma.
Since this theme is, our team here is Sound of the Island, this is Sound of the PI here. Okay? And hopefully soon we're gonna translate it into English, right?
Yeah. Let's give a round of applause to all moms in the house. Love you. This song is for you guys. Hold your mom's hand while we're singing this.
Nasa pagkabata, ako'y iyong inalagaan hanggang sa panlaki. Ako'y iyong sinubaybayan, pangaral mo aking ina, laging nasa isipan. Ito'y naging daan sa aking pag-aaral. Sa lahat ng problema, ikaw ay aking kasama. Maging sa pagtulog ko'y pagmamahal mong nadarama. Wala kang katulad o ina.
I love you, Mom.
Lahat ng kaibigan ko, ikaw ay nahangaan. Kung di dahil sa'yo, ako ngayon ay nasaan. Salamat sa tulong ng Diyos na may kapal. Wala kang katulad, oy nako, minamahal. Sa lahat ng problema, ikaw ay aking kasama. Maging sa pagtulog ko'y pagmamahal mong nadarama. Wala kang katulad o ina.
Love you, Mom.
Mula sa pagkabata, ako'y iyong inalagaan hanggang sa palaki. Ako'y iyong sinubaybayan, pangaral mo aking ina, laging nasa isipan. Ito'y naging daan sa aking pag-aaral. Sa lahat ng problema, ikaw ay aking kasama. Maging sa pagtulog ko'y pagmamahal mong nadarama. Wala kang katulad o ina. Dakila ka, ina. belated Happy Mother's Day to everyone
you.
here.
Would have been great if my dad is here watching.